You've learned in the lessons on this channel that dressing for your skin tone will enhance your appearance. So how do you learn what colors suit your skin tone? In this quick lesson, we'll cover how you can find out about which colors will make you look your best, even if you're on a tight budget. Stay tuned. The best way to choose the right color palette for your skin tone is to invest in a top-rated color consultant to evaluate you and recommend the best colors for your tone. Avoid so-called color consultants who are either working for a beauty store or who are affiliated with a beauty product multi-level marketing company. More often than not, these so-called consultants are just trying to sell you products, and they are not properly trained to allow for nuances like those of mixed race or those who may have neutral undertones in their skin. This will be a slight investment, but the return on your investment is worth it. If you don't have the money to invest in a color consultant, the book, What to Wear Can Change Your Life by Trinity Woodall and Susanna Constantine cover color analysis, and it shows you how you can analyze yourself and determine whether you are cool-toned, warm-toned, or neutral-toned. It also gives you a color palette for your tone. Another option if you are short on cash is watch a video from Maria al-Masani on YouTube. She is a color consultant to the rich and famous, as well as to inspiring pageant contestants. She did a fabulous job explaining color analysis, how to analyze your colors, and how to take nuances into consideration. I'll link to her video is in the description. Selecting the right color palette for your skin tone can significantly advance your overall appearance, but it is essential to choose your resources carefully. Investing in a reputable, trained color consultant can provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific needs, especially if you have a unique or nuanced skin tone. However, if professional services are out of reach, there are still accessible alternatives as mentioned in this video. With the right guidance, you can confidently discover the colors that best complement your skin tone without falling into the trap of product-driven advice.